China National Offshore Oil Corporation, also known as CNOOC, is making an early exit from the Kenyan oil exploration market in a move that will shift the balance of power in the oil and prospecting business to the Western nations. The Chinese firm, which is one of the single largest investors in the country's exploration 3 years ago, is turning on its focus to Uganda after it failed to strike viable oil or gas in Kenya. The firm had 6 of the country's 22 exploration blocks, but its exit is set to leave the bulk of the exploration work in the hands of US firm Uganda, which has 5 blocks, and Tullow Oil, that was awarded 5 blocks in August. CNOOC is leaving the Bogle well before the end of this year. African oil will remain because it has expertise in oil exploration, said Energy Permanent Secretary Mr. Patrick Nyoke. Some $50 billion of investment is required in order to complete the development of the remaining phases of the South Pars gas field, the Iranian oil minister said here on Saturday. The Mehr news agency quoted Masoud Mir Kazemi is saying that by the end of the 5th development plan, all the remaining phases in South Pars will come on stream. To finance the development plan, the National Iranian Oil Company plans to offer 5 billion euros and 10 trillion rials, some $960 million worth of bonds in January and February to finance development plans of South Pars gas oil field. Moving on, Iraq's new central government plans to recognize contracts for oil and gas production in Iraqi Kurdistan, a step towards healing an extended rift that has delayed the development of some of the world's largest oil fields. Several UAE companies stand to benefit if the dispute is resolved. Abdul Luaibi, 2 days into his new job as Iraqi oil minister, said yesterday that there was an agreement between Baghdad and the regional government of Kurdistan. "We have already signed an agreement with Kurdistan," Mr. Luaibi said in Cairo yesterday on the sidelines of a Christmas Day meeting of the Organizing of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries.